Japan will buy Bayraktar TB2 Turkish drone for military trials. On the 1st of April 2023, the Embassy of Japan in Turkey announced on its official Twitter account that Ambassador Kazuhiro Suzuki visited UAS, unmanned aerial system manufacturer Baykar Technologies, and received the latest information on unmanned aerial vehicles. According to Baykar Technologies, Ambassador Suzuki was accompanied by a delegation of several people. Ambassador Suzuki and Chief Technology Officer Selçuk Bayraktar both hold a scale model of the unmanned aerial vehicle with the Bayraktar Kızılelma aircraft in the background. Last year, Haluk Bayraktar, the general manager of Baykar, gave the first hint that the company might sell drones to Japan. In his statement, the general manager said that the TB3, which will soon make its maiden flight, would be very suitable for Japan's Izumi-class platforms, and that the UAV's folding wings would allow the ship to carry more UAVs than fixed-wing aircraft. Japan should acquire armed drones as soon as possible, he said. The company's Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicle gained worldwide fame after attacking invading Russian forces in the Battle of Ukraine. Japan will also introduce it on a trial basis with the fiscal 2023 budget of the Ministry of Defense, and plans to conduct a demonstration test with the Ground Self-Defense Force. On the 28th of March, 4 days before the ambassador's visit, Baykar Technologies posted images of its advanced unmanned aerial vehicle, Bayraktar TB3, on its official website and social networking sites. It is unclear what information Ambassador Suzuki and the delegation received, but they may have been given an overview of these latest drones. Japan will test the U.S. MQ-9 Reaper UCAV alongside the Bayraktar TB2. In the budget cake, 22 billion yen is allocated for testing drones before their practical use. The Bayraktar TB2 is a gasoline-powered unmanned aerial vehicle developed by Baykar Technologies in Turkey. An unmanned aircraft system capable of flying continuously at medium altitudes for long periods of time, such as this aircraft, is classified as a MALE, medium-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned aerial vehicle. The Bayraktar TB2 is one size smaller than the American MQ-9B Reaper, which is the representative of MALE, and the maximum payload of missiles and bombs is 150 kilograms, which is not as much as the 1,700 kilograms of the MQ-9B. However, in addition to the fact that the airframe is small, like the F-16 fighter, it has a unique airframe shape that uses a blended body that integrates the main wing and fuselage, making it easier to use than the MQ-9B. It is also said to be harder to detect by radar or visual inspection. The Bayraktar TB2 is capable of operating long-range precision-guided weapons, such as the UMTS anti-tank missile with a maximum range of 8,000 m, and the MAM series glide bombs with a maximum range of 8,000 to 30,000 m or more. The ability to attack from beyond the range of air-to-air missiles and anti-aircraft guns is also considered to be one of the reasons why the Bayraktar TB2 has an advantage in combat. The Bayraktar TB2 was used by the Azerbaijani army during the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh conflict and became famous for destroying a large number of Armenian military weapons. The Bayraktar TB2 also played an important role in the Ukrainian-Russian War. The Bayraktar TB2 became one of the most important weapons of the Ukrainian armed forces in preventing the Russian invasion. Songs were written by the Ukrainian army and people in honor of Bayraktar TB2. Turkey gave extra Bayraktar TB2s during the occupation.